Follow these steps to post Imgur links to Reddit. First, download the Imgur app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Imgur. After app appears, install it, then you can launch it. Now you can scroll down and browse through the memes or the post. Select the one that you want to share. Once you have selected the post, click on the option share. Click on copy link. Once you have copied the link of the post that you want to share, open your Reddit app. Now click on the option create. Give a title. Now click on this link option. Paste the copied link over here. Click on this option, select a community and select where you want to share this post. Now add tags and flair and post it. So this way you are able to post Imgur links to Reddit. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.